I think for any organization that is looking to enhance collaboration, especially if they're remote, and especially if creative is a big part of their organization, you gotta get Vibe. My name is Will Curran. My title is officially the Chief Event Einstein at Endless Events, and we are a nationwide, I guess international now, hybrid event management company. And our journey looking for a tool like Vibe really started with us being a remote first and remote only company and trying to look for better ways to collaborate remotely beyond just, clicking on the screen and, doing screen shares and things like that, but really developing that tactile experience that allows us to have fun while collaborating and brainstorming, which when you're remote is really, I think, difficult to do. Looking for a tool like Vibe was really second nature to us because we were using computers that had touchscreens and pens and things like that. We loved drawing and sharing drawings and explanations that way. So when we discovered that we needed a larger format to do it within our home offices, it was a no-brainer for sure.
And I'm Shannon. I oversee our operations department, and we've been using it really to collaborate not only with each other, but also clients. So a lot of what we do are like the logistics and the timelines and the workflows for events. And so Vibe really allows us to be more creative and work outside of, the box of a typical spreadsheet or a PowerPoint. We can collaborate together and write flow charts and graphs and diagrams, which has been really fun and helpful. What I really like about the Vibe board is how easy it is to use. Even if you aren't super tech savvy or you're working with clients that use different tools or different technologies, no matter who you are, what your experience level is, or what kind of technology you currently use, Vibe works really great for you.
I think for any organization that is looking to enhance collaboration, especially if they're remote, and especially if creative is a big part of their organization, you gotta get Vibe. I highly recommend it for any company, big or small. I think it's a perfect tool for anybody who's looking for it, and you definitely will not be disappointed in any sort of way.
Here's to never losing a great idea again. Here's to Vibe. Vibe isn't a whiteboard, although it's just as easy to use. It's a real-world portal to your digital content and a window onto an endless canvas, a canvas that exists here and here. Vibe goes wherever it's needed, untethered from wall mounts and wires. Vibe lives where your team lives, in the office and in the cloud. Brainstorm, design, review, plan, build, share, present. It's what Vibe was made for. Here's to your next great idea.